Hey friends, if you wish to set the default paper size to A4, then please watch this video now. This is for Excel, PowerPoint, Word, or any other document editor. Okay, and I have noticed as I have rarely noticed any other document editor which doesn't have this option. So go to File, select Print, change this option here from letter to A4. Now listen to this. Whether you change it to A4 or not, or leave it to letter as it originally is, it doesn't matter. It will still print it in the A4 size, but in the former case, it will actually leave. I'll show you what happens. It will leave a little bit of a margin at the bottom, which is okay because when you're printing a document, if it leaves like a slight margin at the bottom, a slight blank space at the bottom, it's not bad, it is just okay. Okay, it doesn't cause any issues as such. So if you want to change it to A4, you can. Personally, I do not change it to A4. I just print it as it is. It doesn't cause any problems, it is just okay for me. So the choice is yours. I have shown you the option. I mean, I have shown you the method, but personally, I do not change it to A4. I leave it as it is. If you want to change it to A4, you can. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.